What's up, guys? We're out here on Rodman Reservoir today, Ocklawaha River, fishing the drawdown. Me and Joe, we got Chris somewhere back up that way. He kept on running. You know, he got to stretch that motor out. They draw it down once every 3-4 years, something like that. Kill off all the vegetation so it condenses a lot of stuff. Lots of reports of a lot of fish because everything's kind of pushed together. So, let's see what we can do. I already caught one before I had the camera rolling. A little dink, but good start. It only took 10-15 minutes, so we'll see what we can do. Right. Once I get out into the current, give it like another few little inches, and then I'm like, all right, burn it back. There he is. Another little one. Yeah.
I can stew in there. You see that little one.
Yep.
I ain't even recording.
There's number 2, guys. He's a little bit better.
I'll take one of them.
Yeah, that's a little bit better. Old Z-Man spinnerbait.
Dude, I swear it looks like you're going drunk.
I might be after this. I don't know. Tell you, me and Rodman's back on good terms.
Well, technically, I don't think we're Rodman.
Well, we on the Ocklawaha. Ocklawaha. Well, if I didn't miss that one, and I tell you what, I missed that one because of, oh, he barely took it too.
You want a trailer hook?
Nah.
I'm not wasting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get off that phone. There's one right here, dude. Ooh, what nice. I mean, it's big. Well, I say it's big, and here's my 4-pounder. Oh, dude, that was perfect. You knocked him right off.
Clutch network right there, son. Clutch network.
Look at that one.
With a hook in my mouth.
With a hook in his mouth. Look at this one. Ladies and gentlemen.
That's a good one.
That's a 3-pounder.
Yeah.
That's that 4. I will take it. There's a thumbnail.
Yep. Alright.
Alright. That one didn't hit the boat. Oh my God. Off to a great start today, boys. This fish is strong. She impaled it.
Yeah, she got a big old bucket mouth going.
Hang on, I'm just gonna let her play out, dude. She is gonna do what she wants right now. Another 3.
Heck yeah, man.
Look at that. Look at that chatterbait down her throat.
Oh, look at that belly.
Ready to burst. Now that's 4.
Yeah.
Here it is. Got it. You feel it.
I got it. Prop spinning because we're going backwards into it. A little less current. Yep.
About dang time.
Not a big one, but it's a fish.
Gotta get some numbers up.
Yep.
Come on. Finally, got Bubba, got a fast catch with Bubba.
Hey man, that's my 3rd today. There you go, guys. There's another fish. Good and healthy too. See you later. See, I got me probably an 8-pound. 8-pound bag.
Get him?
Ooh, net.
Net fish.
Yep.
Of course, I'm hung up on him. Oh, that's a fatty.
Come on there.
Got her.
Yeah,
Whoa.
boy.
That's over 5.
That is it.
Give me some nuts.
Dump
Ooh,
the reel in the water.
Yeah, we're gonna weigh that one.
Look at that slab. Look at that slab, y'all.
Let's clip her on.
What'd you think? 5'2".
5 1/4. 5.09.
There it is, y'all.
I'm about to run us into a tree. I got you. There goes so she can make us some more.
Bye-bye.
Good girl. Hey, man. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate the jackhammer loan.
No problem. I told you it was going to be one there.
Yep, and there it was.
So you show them off to the camera. Yeah, no.
Nah. Nope, that's a quick release.
I'll call him the limit.
Yeah. If I'd have boat flipped it, I would have got that. Yeah, 2-pounder. I don't know. What'd you do with him?
I didn't do nothing with him.
Oh, yeah.
Nailed that. He has his mouth open.
Yo. Trying to bandage up again. He just skinned in there, too.
I hate him so bad. I said I wasn't going to have to re-dye. Get that nasty thing out of my boat. Yeah, they blue though?
Yeah.
Weird. Female.
Yeah, no spot.
No spot. You got through.
Hello. What y'all catching? Us too. Wow.
Ooh, boy, you smell it too.
Oh, told you smell like butt.
This ain't gas. Burbling up.
The earth is farting.
That diarrhea look like me.
Ooh-wee.
Go ahead. Oh, I missed him, bro.
Mmm.
That's a good knock.
Hiding underneath it.
You got it. There's a bass.
Yeah.
Nice. There's number 6. I got one too. Oh, dang, dude. There he was. I got those. Dude, that spot's hot.
Spot lock.
Spot lock.
Here we go, guys.
6 and 6.
Number 6.
Hang on, we're going back.
That's a pretty decent one there.
I got it. I got a big one. I got a big one.
You net?
Nah. Hey, hit the mark on that. Hit the mark on that.
Sure you don't want net?
Yeah.
I'm pretty decent bass there, buddy.
Woo! I might need scale on that one.
Yeah, that's pretty darn decent.
I told you. Man, they're on that point right now, man.
I told you. Nope. Little. Yep. I felt the bite and then felt the weight whenever.
See? That's what I've been getting.
Little. Yeah, you didn't miss it that time.
There he is.
It's a little fish. Ah, look at that.
Warmouth.
Yep.
We said that too.
Multi-species.
Catch them so your arms fall off.
Told y'all it was little. Oh, no, he's peeing. Told y'all it was little. It was a warmouth. Thing right now. Yep, fish. I can't tell because the current pretty decent.
What was that in his mouth?
I don't know.
What was that?
What is that?
What kind of creature that is?
I don't know, man.
Alien. 2 pounds, 3/4. 2.
Look at that belly. That's 2.
That's 2.
Got another one, y'all.
Make sure you show off the alien you threw up.
Yeah. Back in there.
Let's see what kind of pattern it is. Are you touching it?
No, hell no. Ain't. Looks like something wrapped in guts.
Snake?
I think so.
3/4 eel?
It's either eel or snake, yeah. Look at that fish threw this up. Good. Lip and grip's good.
I really need to bring a gun.
I know it. How you still got all that? Thank you, finally. Good Lord. I see him. There he is, see him?
It is a mini airboat. Bass.
Speed snake.
Huh?
Speed snake.
That's a fatty.
Aha! I think it stuck him right in the damn roof of the mouth, too. Another fat fish, guys.
Goes the 5-tail. Now you tied up with me, 8/8, right?
Yep. Been riding this current all day.
We covered a lot of ground.
Is that a bass or a mud? Is it? Yeah, that's a decent one.
Keep that speed. Watch your front end there.
Yeah.
You get her?
Yeah.
That big output. I'll tell you that big. Throw them turkey.
9.
That's meant to ask. Sandwich.
There we go, guys. And you see, got one of the same looking deals in there.
What, an eel?
Yeah, it looks like it. There we go, guys. Another one. Good chunker. Probably a good bit. I mean, we didn't count, you know, but it had to be like 50, right?